I got paid $50 two times or $50 twice, which is $100 in total from a particular side hustle that I've been using for a while now. And in this video, I'm going to talk about it, so just pay close attention. So today, I'm going to show you 5 different side hustles or 5 different methods to make money online or 5 different ways to make money online. Remember, none of these methods are related, and I'm going to give a little description about each of them. So if you want me to create a full video about each of these sites, just let me know in the comment section. Like this video, share this video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can keep getting more content from me. Before we start, this is actually a quick disclaimer. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. There is no guarantee that any of these methods is going to work out for you. It depends on your efforts. It depends on your location. I'm also not saying that after you finish watching this video that you will start making money online steadily. That's not what I'm saying. But pay attention. I believe you're going to learn something from this particular video that you might apply and it's going to work out for you. Alright, so as you can see on my screen, they say earn up to 400,000 and more monthly when you sign up as a Travel Start affiliate. Now, this is actually an affiliate program. I talked about this. This is the first method we are going to be talking about today, which is called Travel Start affiliate program. Partner with us for free to sell cheap flights to your customers. Okay, so Travel Start is actually a travel agency, so you can decide to work with them, partner with them. Or what you have to do just for you to sign up. How much can I earn? The commission structure may vary from month to month, but typically Travel Start pays for each booking as follows: 3.5% on base fare only on international flight, 2% on base fare only on domestic flights, and paid booking, made affiliate link, blah 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 blah. Now they say 2,100 naira on SOTO bookings, which means flights that do not originate in Nigeria. They pay you 2,100 naira for SOTO bookings, flights that do not originate in Nigeria. All commission is paid 2 to 3 weeks after the month has ended. So this is a way you can use to start making money for yourself. If you're a person that you need money, you want money, you can just decide to just create a social media page. What you do on your social media page is just to start advertising flights. Cheap flights. It can be international flights, it can be domestic flights. People are jackbarring every day from this country, so this is an opportunity. A lot of people are trying to make money online on TikTok especially, and most people have not been able to earn money on TikTok because of they say TikTok does not monetize Nigerian except you do a live stream, and most people don't like doing live streams. I discovered a new method that you can use to make money on TikTok that most people are not talking about it, but the truth is that this actually works. If you don't have a US account or a UK account that is monetized, well, try out this method. I think this might also work out for you. Once you go to your TikTok studio, you're going to scroll down. There's a place where they call it monetization, live rewards. You're going to see video gifting, you're going to see subscription, you're going to see a lot of options, work with artists. Now these are the ways you can use to make money on TikTok in Nigeria, but the one I want you to turn on is this particular one they call video gifting. Once you post a video on TikTok and somebody click on your video, and they're going to see this GIF icon at the comment section. Once they go into the comment section, they're going to see this GIF icon. If I click on this particular GIF icon right here, you're going to see different gifts right here that you can gift the creator of this particular video, right? That is how this actually works. This particular thumbs up right here is actually like 5 coin already, right? So which means if you have like 1,000 people give you a thumbs up, 5 coin, that is a lot of money on TikTok. They have a downside to this particular monetization. First of all, you must follow all TikTok community guidelines. You must be above 18 and you must have a minimum of 10,000 followers. So if you don't have up to 10,000 followers, you cannot access this particular feature. So that's just the downside to this particular method, but this actually works. Anytime you post a video, encourage your viewers to gift you through the comment section if they like the video on TikTok. You can use this method to make a whole lot of money for yourself. I made a video on how you can withdraw your money on TikTok. Let me know if you want to see that video, or I'm going to drop it in the comment section. This is a method that anybody can use, and it's actually low risk, and this is a method you can use to make some money for yourself online steadily, especially in 2025. All what you need is just for you to install the Bybit app into your phone. For those of you that don't know what Bybit is just a crypto wallet that allow you to store cryptocurrency. It's a very popular wallet, Bybit. After you receive your crypto, all what you have to do, just come over here and click on assets. You can see where they say earn if you scroll down under asset. So this particular page, this is where you can start earning money from Bybit. The best part is that it's actually risk free. The risk here is very, very low. So the one I'm using is this one they call Easy Earn. Now this is the stress-free one. This one you don't have to stress yourself, right? So you can see that I actually have an ongoing earning project that is running right now. Turn on auto earn. They are going to save it for you automatically. One thing I like about this, you can withdraw your money at any time you want. Your interest keep on coming every 24 hours and it's totally safe, completely safe and secure. And Bybit is also a popular platform, a legal platform that is very, very popular. So this is another method I've been using to earn money on Bybit without doing anything. So tell me if you knew about this and let me know if you're going to try this in the comment section. Clipping is one of the best ways you can start making money now. Warp.com is a clipping platform that I have been using and so far it has been working out. I have actually earned money from this. You clip people's videos and you actually get paid for clipping people's videos. So for example, you can just sign up to Warp and you just scroll down, you look for available clipping program, start clipping music videos, which is very, very popular, and start clipping podcasts. You use Warp to do it and the owner of those particular content, they pay you because clipping this particular content allow their content to go viral very, very fast. So they pay you for doing that. You can earn up to $2 per 1,000 views. You can earn up to $3 to $4 per 1,000 views based on the community you actually join or based on the particular content reward program you are actually doing. I've used this and this has actually worked out for me and you can try this out. Now is the moment of truth. Okay, the app that actually paid me that $100 is this particular app right here called Walktask. Yes, Walktask paid me that $100. Now today I want us to see how much I've actually earned so far using this particular Walktask and how long it took me and how I was able to earn this amount of money. And mind you, I've already made it to a video tutorial how you can use this particular app. If you want to check that out, check out my cirrden account, cirrden.com/solidpicturestv. Come here and click on country. Now there are a lot of other countries here. Nigeria is being listed under others, right? Others, so that's the best, but you can still choose other countries here if you want to redeem your earnings with others. So you can just click on others. You're going to see that you don't have other withdrawal options apart from PayPal, so which means if you don't have a PayPal account you cannot withdraw. But that's not true because you can still come over here and click on United States and you're going to see gift cards, right? I've actually used this method to redeem Amazon gift card, but I have a little problem. Don't ever use this method to redeem a Google Play gift card on this platform because it's not going to work. I mainly use Amazon gift card with this method and I've redeemed like 3 Amazon gift cards already plus 1 Google Play gift card. All of them are $5 each. 3,000 coin is like $5. So the 3 of them or the 4 of them, that's like $20 from gift cards. I redeemed 4 PayPal gift card, $50 each. So this 4 is $200. $200 plus $20, that's $220 I've been able to redeem on the platform. Now I told people in my community, if you don't have a PayPal account, well, join my community. You're going to see there's a voice note I dropped on WhatsApp and on Telegram. Join my community. But first of all, what is Walktask? Walktask is actually a walking step counter that promises to reward you just for walking. You can also complete offer wars. You can complete tasks, offer war tasks on the platform, and you get rewarded from carrying out different tasks. If you want to focus on the working aspect of it, it's going to take you a long time for you to see the minimum withdrawal. Don't depend on the working. Try other activities on the platform. The best one is their affiliate program. Try out their affiliate program too. The platform is completely free, so you can just invite your friends to say, hey, I'm using Walktask, it's working out for me, check this out. You can drop your referral link for them or you drop your affiliate code for them. If they use it to sign up, you get a bonus and they also get a bonus. Tell me the one you're going to try in the comment section.